Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I have another wig review for you, and this time it is from the Janet collection, and this is Lydia, a short curly style. If you're interested in what she looks like, then I want you to stay tuned. Let's find out about Lydia. So on the stock card, it does say she is made with premium synthetic fibers. She is heat resistant. She has heat resistant fibers, and she can hold up to 360 degrees worth of heat. She does come in these specialty colors in the back, and we are going to take a look at the wig, at the cap construction, and then we'll try her on. So stay tuned. This is what the inside of Lydia's cap look like. It is a flexible, stretchable cap. She does have the adjustable band at the nape of the wig, and there are no combs in this particular wig. So for added security, you may consider adding combs. Check out the description box below for information. If you miss the actual specifications for this particular wig, go back and watch the video. Again, I would like to thank you for joining me. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit the like button. Thank you so much for joining me again today on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel, and we'll be back next week with another wig review.